In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find winning products on Kalodata. First, log into your Kalodata account and head straight to the Product tab. This is the central place where you can browse and filter products, and it's designed to help you quickly spot items with real sales momentum. Think of it as your data-driven storefront window. Everything you need to make smart choices is right here, as long as you set up the view correctly. Once you're on the product page, the key is to apply filters that surface recent, real momentum rather than old winners that may be fading. Start by setting the time window to the last 7 days. This narrows your results to what's trending right now, so you're not chasing products that were hot months ago but are cooling off today. Next, set the revenue trend to growing. This focuses your search on items whose sales are actively increasing, which is exactly what you want if you're aiming to ride an upward wave rather than guess where demand might go. Finally, set the unit price range to roughly $10 to $80. This bracket often strikes a sweet spot. Low enough to encourage impulse purchases, but high enough to leave room for a workable margin after marketing and fulfillment costs. If your niche is more premium or budget-focused, you can nudge that range, but use this as a strong starting point. After you've dialed in those filters, run the search. Kalodata will generate a list of products, typically sorted by historical sales revenue or recent performance, giving you an immediate snapshot of what's moving. Take a moment to scan the results thoughtfully. You're looking for items that fit your price range and show a consistent upward revenue curve rather than a single-day spike. Pay attention to the relationship between price and revenue. A product in the middle of your range with steady growth can be a safer bet than a high-priced outlier with volatile sales. As you review, keep the context in mind. Recent performance indicates interest, but you want signals that the trend is sustainable. If you see multiple products in a similar category showing growth, that may point to a broader theme worth exploring. On the flip side, if a product sits at the extreme low end of the price range, remember that fees and ads can quickly erode margin. That's the core workflow. Log in, go to the Product tab, apply a last 7 days window with a growing revenue trend and a $10 to $80 price range, then run the filter and evaluate the list for steady, upward performers. Use these settings to make confident, data-backed product decisions.